Hello folks, welcome back to part 4 of our Excel Plus Cloud AI series. In this video, we are going to build a smart inventory alert system using Cloud AI with Excel. So without wasting any time, let's dive in. I have one inventory dataset of a company and this inventory data is available in this inventory sheet. I hope it is visible, right? Now first you need to study the data. Let me show you with the help of highlighter. This inventory dataset have total 5 column. The first column is item ID. Next we have the item name, stock available, reorder level and supplier. So basically it is a inventory dataset. Inventory means the complete record of the raw material which is available in a company, such as it can be the item name, stock available, reorder level and the supplier. Let me show you with the help of example. Now just to focus on the first record of this inventory dataset, the item ID is 1001, item name item 1, the stock available is 35, reorder level is 9 and the supplier is Lenovo. If you notice carefully inside this two column, stock available and reorder level, the stock available of this item 1 is greater than reorder level, means the stock is high, so no need to order this item 1. In the same way, let's focus on the fourth record. If you notice carefully, the item ID is 1004, item name item 4, the stock available is 9 and the reorder level is 14 and the supplier is Samsung. Just to focus on the stock available and reorder level value, the stock available is less than reorder level, means the item 4 stock is very low. We need to order this item 4 and the order should be given to the Samsung, which is the supplier, right? So basically we need to analyze the data. We need to find which item is having the low stock so that we can order it. Now from this complete inventory data set, we need to identify the record of item having low stock. Now if you do it manually, it will be time consuming and it will take hours of time, right? But with the help of Cloud AI, we can easily get the insight within few seconds. Now this video is going to be very powerful. Then do like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now let's on the Cloud AI. Let me click on this Cloud AI. We will get the Cloud AI panel, right? Now let me show you the prompt. The prompt is available in this prompt sheet. So first we gonna create a AI powered inventory alert system. As you can observe on the screen, the prompt is very big, but it is very simple to understand. In the inventory sheet, compare stock available with reorder level and create a smart low stock alert system. This point is very important. We need to create a smart low stock alert system. Highlight item that need immediate reorder using emoji, checkboxes and conditional formatting. Also create additional column for stock status, reorder priority, supplier recommendation and low stock alert system summary. Let's see whether the Cloud AI will do or not. So first we will copy this, copy the prompt, Control A, Control C. Now paste the prompt in the chat section. Let me paste it. Okay. Now first go to the inventory sheet. Now run the prompt, just wait for a few seconds. Now the Cloud AI has started thinking. Let's see the power of this Cloud AI, because this video is going to be amazing and it is going to be very super. If you guys are excited, then do write in the comment section Cloud AI and like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now look at here guys. It has created columns. The first column is stock status, next reorder priority, recommendation, supplier recommendation and reorder now. Just you need to wait for a few seconds. It is thinking. Now it is asking for a permission. Permission required. Cloud want to fill formula down. Now simply you need to click on this dangerously always hello, because our data is dummy data. So what I will do, I will simply click on this control enter, or if you want to deny you can click on this deny. If you want to allow once, you can click on enter. Now simply I will click on this control enter. Wow, it has given the icons as well as values, right? Now just to wait for a few seconds. It is thinking more. If you do it manually, just write in the comment section How much time will it take for you to do this task? Now look at here guys. The task is completed, I think. Yes. Now let me close this Claude AI so that you can see the screen clearly. Okay. Now if you observe carefully inside this inventory data, it has given the conditional formatting. It has highlighted few cells with the font color red. In the same way, let's see the column which is created by Claude AI. The first column is stock status. Next, it has given the reorder priority. Next, it has given supplier recommendation. Let's see reorder now. Wow, look here, guys. Now, let's understand the first column, which is stock status. Inside this stock status, here you can see it is overstocked. Next, we have healthy, critical, reorder now. It has given the icon also and it has given the colors. So if you observe carefully inside this stock available, it is overstock. So basically item 1 and 2 are overstock and this item 3 is healthy. And if you notice the 3 which are critical, reorder now. Now we need to reorder them, which is item 4, 5 and 6. As you can observe, the stock available for this 3 item is less than the reorder level, right? That is the reason it has given the critical reorder now. In the same way it has given for other item also. Now moving to the next column. Look here guys, it has given the reorder priority. The priority to order is low. For this 2 item it is high. For this item it is urgent. Let's see which item it is. Okay, 6th item. The stock available is 2 and the reorder level is 14, which is very less, right? That is the reason it has given the reorder priority as urgent. In the same way, you can see the reorder priority for other item. If you do it manually, just write in the comment section how much time will it take for you to do. So this is the power of Claude AI.
Folks, we will continue with this video, but before that, I would like to share an important piece of information with you. The information is all about to do the automation in Excel. Yes, you heard that right. If you are using Microsoft Excel since long and you are doing manual stuff, then let me tell you, this time is to upgrade your knowledge and upgrade your work. Now, there is a huge possibility that AI will replace your work. Then before that, you must have to upgrade your working style. Means if you are doing same thing again and again, that is repetitive task. But if you use automation for that task, then it will definitely help you to save your time. But what am I talking about? I'm talking about Excel Booster add-ins, that is AI powered Excel Booster add-ins that we have designed specially for the Excel user, those who are doing manual work. Suppose take an example, you have several Excel files and you want to append these files into one master file. In order to do that, you may do a manual work like copy pasting, or else you may have no knowledge of Power Query. But again, you need to do several steps in order to apply the Power Query automation, right? But here it is, we have created Excel Booster, and if you click the append Excel file automations in Excel Booster, then what will happen? It will select all the file and append automatically, and also it will create the automation of Power Query. Not only that, guys, there are so many automations. Suppose take example, if you are having a raw data like this and you wanted to build dashboard like this, which is completely interactive, means you can click anywhere on the chart, anywhere on the visuals, and see the reflection. It's like a Power BI and Tableau dashboard. So if you are not having knowledge of creating dashboard inside Power BI and Tableau, so do not worry. And even if you create a dashboard in that, you need to have a subscription in order to publish these dashboards and share with your management. But here it is the key secret. In Excel Booster, if you created this dashboard, you can share with anyone. You can customize this dashboard according to your requirement. And if you're really excited to know about this dashboard more, you can see the video detail in the description. I've created separate video on this, and also you can check our Excel Booster website where you can find video related to these. So if you are really interested, go and check out excelbooster.com website. For now, we are jumping back to our topic. This is about the Excel Booster automation tool, which will help you to automate your regular work. Now let's jump to our main topic.
Now moving to the next column, which is supplier recommendation. It has given no action needed. And for few element it has given contact Samsung. So basically it is giving the supplier name and it is also giving the order of item. So look here guys, we need to order 19 unit of this item. Let's see which item it is. I think 4th item. Okay. If you notice carefully, the stock available is 9 and the reorder level is 14. So basically the Claude AI is giving the recommendation which item should be ordered, how many unit and who is the supplier. So this is how with the help of Cloud AI you can save your time. It has given the contact Samsung supplier order 19 units. Contact Logitech order 9 units. This is the power of Cloud AI. It has given the icon also. In the same way you can find the supplier recommendation for other item, which is completely amazing, right? Now moving to the next column, which is reorder now. Now let me show you guys. Now inside this reorder column, as you can observe on the screen, it has given the check boxes. If the box is tick, it has given yes. If the box is not tick, it has given no. So basically it will show you whether the item should be ordered or not. As you can observe on the screen, the item should not order. The first three item have the plenty stock. So basically it has told us to not to order any item. For the next three element, the Cloud AI has given the tick mark, which means we need to reorder now. In the same way you can find the reorder for other item. I hope you guys understood, right? Now moving towards right side, it has given the low stock alert summary, where you can see it has given the metric count. The metric is critical reorder now, it is 13, urgent priority 14, low monitor 5, healthy 4, overstock 18, and total items are 40. As you can observe on the screen, this data contain total 40 item, so it will show you the total item as 40. It has also given the percentage needing reorder, which means how much percentage of order is needed, which is 32.5%. I hope you guys understood, right? This is the power of Cloud AI. If you do it manually, it will take lot of time, but with the help of Cloud AI, you can do within second. Now it has given the reorder by supplier. It has given the supplier name Lenovo supplier item to reorder 2, Epson supplier item to reorder 5. In the same way you can find for other supplier. This is the power of Cloud AI. I hope you guys understood, right? Now moving to the next prompt, report summary. Now let's see the report summary. Create a summarized inventory report showing low stock item, total critical product, and supplier wise inventory insight. Select the text, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, copy it. Now click on this cloud. Let me adjust the camera. Okay. Now paste the prompt in the chat section. Now I will go to the inventory sheet. Now simply you need to run this code. Now just wait for few seconds. Let's see what the Cloud AI will generate the output. I will create a dedicated inventory report sheet with summary. Just to look at here guys, I think it has created one new sheet which is inventory report. Let's click on this report sheet. Okay, just you need to wait for few seconds. Let's see the magic of the Cloud AI. What are the output it will generate? Wow. Just look here guys. See the power of Cloud AI. It has given the time also. Sorry, it has given the date also, on which date we are preparing this report. Friends, it's completely amazing. See the power of Cloud AI, how it has generated the report. Now let me close this Cloud AI. Let me adjust the camera. Now look here what the Cloud AI has given. Inventory report, low stock and supplier insight. Let me zoom in. I think now it is visible. It has given the report generated date, which is 12th May 2026, and it has given the table key metric. It has given the metric value and percentage of total. Let's see what the key metric given by Cloud AI. Total inventory item 40, value 100%. Critical reorder now 13, 32.5%. Urgent priority item 4, 10%. Low stock monitor, healthy stock, and overstock. How beautifully the Cloud AI has created this key metric table, and it has given the colors also. It has given icons, it has given value, percentage of total, and it has given also total stock unit available, which is 866, and total unit below reorder level is 78. See the power of Cloud AI, right? Now moving to the next table, which is supplier wise inventory insight. It has given the supplier wise inventory insight also. These are the supplier name, total item, total stock, critical items, low stock item. Look at here guys. This is the power of Cloud AI. I hope you guys are understanding. If you guys are understanding, then do like this video and subscribe to the channel. And at the last we have the action required also. Immediate reorder, reorder soon, no action, and lot more. Now moving to the next analysis, which is critical item immediate reorder list. This table is very powerful, which is critical item immediate reorder list, where you can observe it has given the item ID. So these are the item ID which should be immediately reorder. It has given the item name, stock available, reorder level. It has also given the formulas also. As you can observe, let me show you guys. Double click on this. Wow, look here guys. It has given the if error formula, index and small. So many formulas it has used. So this is the power of Claude AI. Now look here guys. Stock available, reorder level, shortage. It has given the shortage also. Let's see, it has also given the supplier name. So friends, just by using one single prompt, it has given the complete summary report, which is completely amazing, right? So with the help of Claude AI, you can do lot of tasks inside the Excel. I hope you guys understood. This is the power of Claude AI. So this is how we can build a smart AI powered inventory alert system using Cloud AI with Excel. And with this, we have completed our Excel plus Cloud AI series. If you found this series useful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.